Hello friends, let me show you the quickest and easiest way to prepare powder fufu with an easy twist. My name is OBAAPA Kitchen. Welcome and let's start cooking. Alright, so folks, we have plantain here. I'm using only one plantain, but if you are making it for like a big size, you can use 4 pieces or 3 pieces of plantain will be enough for about a family of 6. Okay, yeah. So next we're going to cut our plantain into pieces like how I'm doing now. I have my blender ready, so go ahead and add your plantain in there. But if you prefer cocoyam, you can also use cocoyam for this recipe. So next I have my fufu right here. This is the neat fufu that I really fell in love with. When I went to Ghana, I tried this neat fufu, and in fact it was really good. I can't believe the consistency of this fufu. The texture was perfect, and I really love it. My dad actually tried it for the first time and he fell in love with it too. So I'm going to use this fufu, but if you like Mama's Choice, you can use that one as well. So next I'm going to add about 2 cups of fufu powder. Okay, yeah, like I said, if you're making for like a big size of a family, you can easily make 4 cups with 3 plantains. Okay, so next I'm going to add my fufu powder into the plantain that I just diced up, and after that I want to get it ready and then add some water. So with this recipe we have to blend it, so we need more water to help blend the plantain and the powder. Yeah, so I'm adding in here about 16 ounces of water, and that's what I'm going to use to blend my fufu. Yeah, so we are going to prepare the authentic way, easiest way. So if you are that kind of person and you feel like, oh papa, I'm used to powder fufu, I don't know how to make the fresh fufu at home, so this recipe will be a perfect and a smart idea that you can easily make fufu with the powder. Okay, so this way also it is very delicious and very healthy. All right friends, so this is the best way to cook your powder fufu. In this way also it tastes better. It tastes like fresh homemade fufu. You don't have to worry if you don't have the time like to prepare the original fufu. Just try this method and I know that it is going to be very successful. Yeah, so I have my pot right here and I'm going to cook this in the microwave. I really like cooking my fufu in the microwave because I like the consistency how it turned out. But if you want to make it on the stove, you can please feel free and make it. Okay, but this is how I like mine. But if you want to make it on the stove, you can do so. So next I'm adding in here 1 cup of water, which is about 6 ounces, and I'm going to add it in my fufu, and that way also it will help cook the fufu very nice and soft. I don't want the fufu to be really hard. I want it to be like in a medium way. That's how I'm making it. So next I'm going to cover it and we're going to cook it in the microwave. And then see a bit fufu your fish and quino. So friends, if you haven't tried the fish soup that I made recent video, please feel free and go and check it out and make it, because this is the best fufu recipe that you can enjoy with the soup. Okay, so I have my microwave ready. We're going to cook it for about 6 minutes. Okay, so this is what we're going to start with. Yes, just like that, and then leave it, cover it, don't bother it, just let it sit and cook. With me, I don't really like leaving dishes in the sink. If you're the same person, give me a thumbs up. I always cook my food while I'm still doing dishes. That is how I do it. So by the time I'm done cooking, my food will be ready. Yes, so after I did my dishes, fufu is ready. So we are going to pound it. Alright friends, so our fufu is ready after 6 minutes. So we're going to pound it in authentic way. So if you are part of the Kumerican family, aka Kumase, you know what benkuta is. Okay, this is the wooden stick that you use to stir your benku or your kenke when making it. That is what we're going to need to make this fufu. And of course, to make fufu you need this wooden stick. Okay, and you can easily get some from any African market near you. Okay, so friends, if you are part of the Kumerican family, aka Kumasi, you know that fufu is our dish. Okay, so we love making fufu. So after that, I'm going to add a little bit of water and I'm going to put it back in the microwave for extra 6 minutes. Okay, so after 6 minutes, take it out from the microwave and stir one more time, and just like that, it's looking very soft. It is not too hard. It is ready, so you can go ahead and pound it in a sanka way as well, or whichever way you want to form your fufu. Just feel free and do so. Like OBAAPA, this is how I make my fufu. Okay, so let's go ahead and form this fufu in a very authentic, classic style. This is how I did my fufu since the beginning, like how I make it. It's easy, it's stress-free. Alright friends, so go ahead and shape your fufu in whichever way that you like. It is looking really nice. So we're going to enjoy our fufu with leftover soup. This is authentic tilapia soup. It's just perfect. It's just delicious. You will enjoy the beauty, the time you spend in making this soup. Just go ahead and finish it with the fufu. And come back to my page and tell me, OBAAPA, I nailed it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoy cooking with me today. Friends, I am now on Facebook with the page name OBAAPA Recipes. And I post most of recipes there as well. I share a lot of videos and I believe you want to be part of it. So please go ahead and check it out and then like the page and support your girl. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time spent here. Until I see you again, stay safe, stay joyful. That is how I make my fufu. That is the perfect way. Bye bye.